Ready to set up your new 8x10 ruggable rug? Let's get started. Step 1, open the box. Your ruggable shipment comes with a soft fabric rug cover and 2 rubbery rug pad pieces. The rug cover is rolled around the rug pad pieces. Step 2, prep the rug cover. Unroll and unfold the rug cover so the side with the design or texture is facing up. Once it's lying flat, start from the longer 10-foot side and have a friend help you roll it back up with the design or textured side facing in. Try to keep the edges parallel as you roll. Once the rug cover is rolled up, set it aside for later. Step 3, lay out the rug pad. Unroll the rug pad pieces next to each other. Flip them so the rubbery side is facing down. Make sure the longer edges are lined up and touching, and try to avoid any gap between them. Step 4, roll out the rug cover. Get a friend to help you line up the rug cover over the rug pad, starting from the longer 10-foot side. You should leave about 2 inches of overhang on each side. Keep in mind, some rug covers have reinforced corners. They're designed to help the rug cover lie flat, and you should not tuck the rug pad into them. Now back to the assembly. Begin unrolling the rug cover evenly, keeping the edges parallel. Smooth out any major wrinkles from the middle outward as you go. Small wrinkles can be fixed at the end. Before you roll the rug cover onto the second rug pad piece, make sure there's no gap. Then, unroll the rest of the rug cover. Step 5, add the finishing touches. To remove any small wrinkles, roll up a corner of the rug cover diagonally. Then, as you unroll it, smooth it down from the middle outward. And that's it. You're all set. Now, time to get back to the good stuff.